Are you seeking a path to find inner peace and contentment? Have you ever considered that it starts within yourself, not without? We each possess an inherent power we can tap into when fueled by our internal spirit of integrity. This powerful force requires us to be true to ourselves first, recognizing the importance of cultivating loyalty and confidence in who we are as individuals. When embraced with conviction and intentionality, this form of self honor helps empower every aspect of your life, uncovering spiritual riches beyond what's visible on the surface. Let me begin by giving a simple explanation of what integrity is. Integrity is a virtue that involves being true to oneself and to others. It includes oath keeping, honesty, fairness, respect, and self confidence. Integrity is a powerful force that can be used to propel individuals forward in life. It involves being honest with oneself and others, respecting yourself and others, and being true to your values and beliefs. When one possesses integrity, they show inner strength and self-confidence that allows them to reach their goals without compromising their values or morals. Integrity leads to greater respect from those around you, demonstrating the commitment to do what is right. This virtue helps us to focus on our goals when facing difficult decisions or obstacles. When faced with choices, we can remain true to our values and beliefs instead of succumbing to external pressures that may lead us astray. Integrity helps maintain a balance between our needs and desires, allowing us to make beneficial decisions for ourselves and our communities. Spiritual integrity goes even further than simply adhering to the standards of ethics. It encourages us to look within for answers that will help guide us out of difficult situations. When faced with a moral dilemma or tough decision, spiritual integrity urges us to tap into our inner wisdom to make choices based on our personal truths rather than outside influences, which can lead us down the wrong path. Not only does having spiritual integrity help us to develop a stronger sense of individual morality, but it can also bring us closer together as a community. When people trust each other enough to practice honesty and fairness with one another, relationships become stronger and more meaningful over time. Integrity helps create an environment where people feel comfortable sharing their ideas without fear of judgment or repercussion, which can lead to greater innovation and creativity within group settings. Think of the possibilities when communities, either of spiritual or religious practice, shared knowledge, or approach to various practices, are built on a solid foundation of integrity. This is the foundation of trust, and this leads to strong, supportive, inclusive, and forgiving communities. In this way, integrity is closely related to emotional intelligence, the ability to recognize and respond appropriately to others' emotions. To build meaningful connections with others, we must be present in the moment and honestly acknowledge how someone feels. We should take responsibility for our actions that may have caused hurt or pain for another or even ourselves. Even though it can be difficult to admit when we have made mistakes or wronged somebody else, such honesty helps create greater understanding in relationships. In sum, spiritual integrity embraces honesty and respect toward oneself and others to create an environment of mutual understanding between all involved. It provides a strong foundation for making decisions that benefit the individual's journey and their surrounding community. By embracing this virtue, one can learn how to use their inner power wisely while staying true to themselves along the way.